Okay, my speaker was off, I think, and that's why I was not able to hear you. Now you speak something, I will check. Can you hear me?
Yes, model
Yes,
lattice.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
तो आप
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम कहते हो, मुझे चैट पे बताओ ना कि कितने लेट बताते हो रहे. ठीक है, इट्स ओके. चलो. Now in the last lectures we saw these 4 types of lattices. Bounded lattice, complemented lattice, distributive lattice. You know each and every lattice and its property, right? Bounded lattice means the existence of 0 and 1 element. Okay, 0 is the least element, 1 is the greatest element. Complemented lattice means in a bounded lattice, if complement of every element exists, then it is a complemented lattice. Then distributive lattice, if the distributive laws hold for every choice of A, B and C, then it is a distributive lattice. Now let us see Boolean algebra. Okay, so we are going to the very important topic. The name of the chapter is lattices and Boolean algebra, right? So both of these are algebraic systems, you can say. Now let us see Boolean algebra. So when you hear the word Boolean, what comes to your mind? You have done Boolean arithmetic, right?
0 and 1.
So what is Boolean arithmetic? Have you done it earlier, Boolean arithmetic? Yes or no? You have heard this word in electronics also. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what it is, tell me. What do you mean by Boolean algebra?
That deals with
Logical what?
logical values.
Means which values, dear? Logical values means?
0 and 1.
Yes, it deals with 0 and 1. Right?
Binary numbers means.
Yes. Binary operations, right? So we have Boolean addition, we have Boolean multiplication. Okay. So everything you can connect, see the logic gates, right? And or, so what do you mean by 0 in switching circuits? If 0 belongs to B, then what do you mean by 0 in switching circuits? Can anyone tell me? You are studying it in electronics as well, right?
What, ma'am?
You are studying it in electronics, right? Switching circuits.
Yes.
So what do you mean
Yes,
by
ma'am.
0 in switching circuits? Algebra of switching circuits में 0 का मतलब क्या होता है?
Means it is off, na?
Yes, it is off position. 1 means what? It is on position.
On.
Correct. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now, what do you mean by Boolean addition? Tell me Boolean addition rules. You have told me that it deals with 1 and 0, right? So what are Boolean addition rules? Can anyone tell me? What is 1 plus 1? Is it 2?
1.
It is
1.
1. 1 plus 0?
1.
1.
1. 0 plus 1?
1.
1.
1.
And 0 plus 0?
0. 0.
Now tell me Boolean multiplication. 1 into 1?
1.
1 into 0?
0.
0. 0 into 1?
0.
And
0.
0,
0.
0. Are
0.
you writing it simultaneously?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We have to yet define what is Boolean algebra. Okay, the topic's name is Boolean algebra. So we will step by step, we will go towards Boolean algebra definition. In the beginning, we are not defining what is Boolean algebra. Okay, though I'm using the word Boolean algebra because you know basics of it. But what do you mean by Boolean algebra actually in mathematics, that we will define after certain terms. Okay. Now, what is Boolean addition? What does it represent? Can anyone tell me?
OR gate.
Hmm? It is OR gate.
हाँ, OR gate.
It is OR, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Or in case of now lattices, it will be join. Okay. And here it is and. So in case of lattices, it is meet. Will you please remember this? Multiplication
Yes, ma'am.
means meet and join means addition. Yes. Now, what is Boolean addition? That is what I'm asking you. What do you mean by Boolean addition in B? I'm talking in terms of switching circuits only or circuits only. Boolean addition in B corresponds to what? So B is 0, 1. There are only two elements in B right now. Okay. The least element and the greatest element. So Boolean addition in B corresponds to what? Parallel connection, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Parallel.
Parallel connection of two switches. Okay. And obviously now Boolean multiplication corresponds to what?
Series.
Yes. And Boolean multiplication corresponds to, please write it simultaneously. Boolean multiplication in B corresponds to connection of two switches in series. Yes, connection of two switches in series. Yes. Now there is only one unary operation. There is only one unary operation, I will say, called complementation. In B is 0, 1. Okay, and it is denoted by bar. Okay, complement is denoted by bar. This is called as bar. Okay, so complement of 0 bar is 1 and 1 bar is 0 in B. Okay. So switching circuits, algebra of switching circuits में on position का complement क्या होगा? Off. Off position का complement क्या होगा? On. Okay.
On.
Yes. So all these things need not to say, you understand all these things. So these could be considered as some of the applications. Okay. And then you can furthermore use them in different sciences. Okay. So we are just doing the basics now. Now, as I have written, B is 0, 1. Okay. These are the Boolean variables. Okay. Boolean variables we have to yet write actually, but Boolean variables consist of zeros and ones only always. Now what is B2? Can you tell me what could be B2 then?
1, 0.
B2 is B cross B, right? Cartesian product B cross B.
1 1 1
Huh. It will be 1 1
1 0
1 0
0 0 1
1
0 0.
0 0. Yes. Anyhow, you write them. Okay. This is a set. Anyhow, you can write them. You can write 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Anyhow, what will be B3? B cross B.
1 1 1
So it is 1 1 1. See the way I am writing it.
1
How
1
many
0.
triplets will be there? How many
8
triplets? 8, right? 2 raised to n triplets. 2 raised to n tuples, I will say. So first I will place 4 times 1 in the first place. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then I am placing 4 times 0 in the first place. Then second place I am putting 2 ones and 2 zeros. Okay, again 2 ones and 2 zeros. And third place, now I am putting 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is what you do in case of logic also, right? In place of 0 and 1, you use F and T respectively, okay? So here cardinality of B3 is 8. Cardinality of B2 is 4. So what would be the cardinality of n? Bn consists of what? Bn consists of n tuples. n tuples कहते हैं इसे. जैसे इसे एलिमेंट एक कहा जाता है, इसे ऑर्डर्ड पेयर कहा जाता है, इसे ट्रिपलेट कहा जाता है, वैसे ही अगर आप B4 पे गए तो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज 4 टपल, 5 tuple, 6 tuple, and so on so forth. So Bn consists of n tuples. Okay? Tuples?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So it will be what? Bn will be consisting of x1, x2, dot, 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 xn.
XN.
Yeah. And such that each xi will be what? Each xi will
1
be either 1 or 0 for all I goes from 1 to up to n. Okay. So this is your Bn set. Please write it down quickly.
ma'am written.
Huh.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. So what is cardinality of Bn? How many elements will be there in Bn?
N.
Will it be n elements? आपके B में 2
2 raised to n.
Yes, 2 raised to n. It will be 2 raised to n. This is very important to understand. It will have 2 raised to n elements because each variable, each element has 2 choices. 1 or 0, right? So that gives rise to 2 raised to n elements. Okay? Finished writing? So, in words, if you want to write, have you finished writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Bn consists of 2 raised to n strings of length n. Okay. Now, a string x1, x2 up to xn is designated by x, and each xi is called a Boolean variable. Boolean variable. Similarly, okay, here you write x only, here it is not. Similarly, y is equal to y1, y2, up to yn. Each yi is equal to 1 or 0 is a Boolean variable. So you can denote by x or xi's, or you can denote by yi's also. A function f from Bn to B is called a Boolean function of degree n. Can you tell me why it is from Bn to B? Why the function goes from Bn to B? Why it is not from Bn to Bn? Anyone can tell me why the function goes from Bn to B? See, if you have a function, say x1, x2, x3, so it is, I am defining it on B3, okay, and the function is x1 plus x2 into x3. So how will you find out the values of this x1 plus x2 into x3? I should have x1, x2, x3, then x1 plus x2 into x3. Into x3 I want to do. So I will first do x1 plus x2 and then I will do x1 plus x2 into 3. Now what values x1, x2, x3 can take? There are 3 elements. So how many possibilities are there? Tell me. How many possibilities are there? कितने ट्रिपलेट्स आएंगे? Each variable assumes how many values? 1 or 0, right? Each variable has 2 possibilities, 1 or 0, x1, x2, x3. So the possibilities are 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, right? And x3 can be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now you will add x1 plus x2. Tell me what is x1 plus x2?
1.
1, 1, 1.
1.
Yes, and what is x1 plus x2 into x3 now? Multiplication of these two.
1, 0, 1.
1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1
Right?
0.
Right? So tell me, you are defining a function on 3 variables, x1, x2 and x3. But what values you are getting ultimately? What are the values of x1 plus x2 into x3? It is either 1 or 0, right? Is it a triplet?
Yes, ma'am.
The final value is a triplet? You are having 8 triplets here, right? But each triplet is mapped to a single value, 1 or 0. Okay? And that's why each triplet, that means your domain is B3 and the values which you are getting as your answers, they are either 0 or 1. So they fall in B, 0, 1. And that's why Boolean function is a function from Bn to B. Have you understood it? This is your domain. Bn is your domain and this is your codomain. Okay, this is image set. B is image set and image is either 0 or one which falls again in B, not in B3, not in Bn. That's why it is a function from Bn to B. Please try to understand this, okay? Have you got it? Now we will write definition of, first we will write certain rules, but I think we should define what is Boolean algebra. Then we will write the properties. Okay. So see, sometimes x1, x2, x3 letters will be used. Sometimes x, y, z letters will be used. So you have to do your problem accordingly. Sometimes you may have this type of question, x, y, find f x y is equal to x plus y bar. So this is just simply equivalent to making the truth table. जैसे हम truth table बोलते हैं, बनाते हैं, वैसे truth table बनाना है, but instead of T and F, we will use 1 and 0. So instead of x1 and x2, I am using x and y letters. So this is complement, okay? And x plus y bar. Can you quickly tell me the table? X plus y bar का table क्या आएगा? Yes. Come on. What are the x values, possible x values? There are how many variables you are talking about?
1 1 0 0.
1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. How many variables you have? 2 variables. तो आपके पास 4 rows आएंगी. 2 raised to 2 ordered pairs. Similar, very equivalent to truth table. TT, TF, FT, FF ऐसा लिखते हो ना आप? So here 1 means
Yes, ma'am.
T and 0 means F.
T.
The same way we are doing it.
False.
So y bar is 0, 1, 0, 1. And you have to do x plus y bar. So that is 1, 1,
1
0.
1.
Okay?
0.
So this is Boolean expression. This x plus y bar is called as Boolean expression. इस एक्सप्रेशन को हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है एज सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम्स में. ओके, दैट वी विल सी आफ्टर द डेफिनेशन ऑफ Boolean algebra. ओके, okay, now as we are talking about only ones and zeros, we can have certain rule before defining Boolean algebra. Okay, so these rules, everywhere you have to use the letters 1 and 0, and that's why I am defining these identities. Write down them quickly. Identities in Boolean algebra. First one, complement of complement is the element itself. Okay, this is called as law of double negation or double complementation. We will not say negation, we will say complementation. Second one, x plus x is x and x dot x is also x. Okay, you can verify these rules. This is idempotency. One rule I will show you how to verify. See, you want to prove x plus x is x. So x will take the values what? 1 or 0, right? So what will be x plus s? I will write x again. It will be 1 or 0. But what is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1? 1. And 0 plus 0 is 0. So it is same as, so these two are equivalent. X plus x is x and x dot x is x. They are same elements. Okay. You can take 0 or 1 also. 2 more rows will appear, but this is okay. You understand it. Okay. So these rules are called as idempotency laws. Idempotency laws. So whatever we are writing for Boolean addition, it is the same rule holds for multiplication. Please remember this. X plus 0 is X and X dot 1 is X. Okay. So these are identity laws. X plus 1 is 1 and X dot 0 is 0. These are dominance laws. Okay. Then we have X plus Y equal to Y plus X and X dot Y is equal to Y dot X. What are these called? Can anyone tell me? What is the name of such rules? P and Q is same as Q and P. Yeah, commutative laws. You change the order of the variables, the law remains same, okay? The equality remains same. Then we have X plus Y plus Z is equal to X plus Y plus Z. Similarly, X dot Y dot Z is equal to X dot Y dot Z. Sorry. It's X dot Y dot Z. Okay, so these rules are called as associative laws. Okay. Finished writing? Please tell me when you finish. So you have to verify all these rules. This is your homework. Okay. Yes, finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These rules you should know. आपको नींद में भी ये आने चाहिए बताना. Okay. Next one is X plus Y dot Z is equal to X dot Z plus Y dot Z. And X dot Y plus Z is equal to, सॉरी मैंने फर्स्ट वन जरा गलत लिखा शायद. X plus Y dot Z था वो. It is X plus Y dot Z. So it is X plus Y dot X plus Z. It is different. By mistake I put wrong brackets. And this is X dot Y plus Z. इसका ड्यूअल है देखो. जहां पे प्लस है वहां पे डॉट आ रहा है. जहां पे डॉट है यहाँ पे प्लस आ रहा है. So it is opposite. Okay. Such type of laws you can write. When you know this rule, you can deduct the second rule using duality principle. Okay. So that we will have afterwards. Duality principle. So it will become X dot Y. So यहाँ पे देखो plus sign is replaced by dot. Dot will be replaced by plus. So these are distributive laws. Then next, X plus Y the whole complement. Can anyone tell me what it is?
X bar dot Y bar.
X bar dot Y bar, correct. And X dot Y the whole bar is X bar
plus Y the
plus Y bar. What is the name of these rules?
De Morgan's theorem.
De Morgan's laws. Yes, next, X plus X dot Y, X plus X dot Y is equal to X. and x dot x plus y is equal to also x. So something of the same type we had in logic also, if you remember. P or P and Q is P. And P and P or Q is also P. So those are absorption laws. Y gets absorbed here, okay? Then x plus x bar is 1 always. This is unit property. Because if x is 1, then x bar will be 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. If x is 0, x bar will be 1. 0 plus 1 is also 1. But if you multiply element and its complement, it will be always 0. Okay, this is 0 property. So please verify all these rules and you must know all these rules. In the exam, in any form, these rules may appear, okay? So you have to know all the rules. So that is your homework. Today we will finish with Boolean algebra chapter, huh? Okay, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, principle of duality. Principle of duality. Yeah, write down principle of duality. If in a certain valid identity, in a Boolean algebra, all occurrences of zeros and ones are interchanged and also all occurrences of plus and dot are interchanged, we get another valid identity in a Boolean algebra. We get another valid identity for example. Now we have x plus y dot x is equal to what? X plus y dot, y dot z. So it will be x plus y dot x plus z. This is distributive law, right? So now I am replacing this plus by dot. So what it should become? Can anyone tell me? Replace plus by dot and dot by plus.
X dot y plus z.
Is equal to
X into Y
x
plus
dot y
X
plus
dot Z.
x dot z. Okay? This is called as principle of duality. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको एक स्टेटमेंट देती हूँ. राइट द ड्यूएल्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. ड्यूएल स्टेटमेंट आपको लिखना है. सपोज यू हैव एक्स वाई जेड plus yz is equal to yz. This is not a law. This is just a given equation using Boolean variables. So what will be dual of this? If there is no symbol in between, that means it is dot.
X plus Y plus Z
Uh-huh.
into
Dot
X plus Y. Sorry, Y plus Z
z is equal to y plus z.
is Y plus Z.
Yes. Now, in case of join and meet, meet should be replaced by join, join should be replaced by meet. Okay, for example, अगर आपको आपके पास if ये ऐसा है result, if x join y is equal to y, then x plus y dot z is equal to y dot x plus z. So what will be dual of this?
X.
इसका ड्यूएल क्या होगा? इफ जॉइन की जगह पे क्या आएगा? व्हाट विल अपीयर?
Meet.
Meet.
X meet Y.
Meet y is equal to y. Then x dot
X into
y plus z
Y plus Z
is equal
is
to
equal
y
to
plus.
Y plus X. हाँ.
ओके, समझा है सबको ये?
Yes, ma'am.
And if it
Yes.
involves complements, suppose x plus x bar plus y bar z या x डॉट है यहाँ पे, तो क्या आंसर आएगा? कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कॉम्प्लीमेंट ही रखना है, उसे चेंज नहीं करना है. सिर्फ डॉट की जगह पे प्लस, प्लस की जगह पे डॉट. सो इट विल बिकम x
X
प्लस
plus
x बार डॉट
X bar in Y bar plus Z.
plus z. Okay, so this is the dual. Not equal to, it is dual. Okay. Yeah, now meeting will get over in 2-3 minutes. Let me take attendance. बोलो. रोल नंबर 1,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6, 7,
7 present, ma'am.
8,
Present,
9. जल्दी बोलो. 9, 10. Inara is not there. Inara.
10 present.
11,
11 present, ma'am.
12,
12 present.
13,
13 present, ma'am.
14,
14 present, ma'am.
15,
15 present, ma'am.
16, 17,
17 present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27,
26 present.
27,